All right, one of my favorite analogies with organic chemistry is I like to think it's like that show, The Matrix. So if you haven't seen it, it's like this guy watches this screen where there's just a bunch of green like letters and numbers and symbols and whatnot, and he pictures, a neighborhood, a house, people, whatever the letters are supposed to mean. And that's a lot of what OChem is. So we'll draw these like relatively simple structures. So here I'll have a hexagon with alternating lines there, and then I'll put an OH there, right? Relatively simple structure. But it actually shows quite a lot, right? This structure demonstrates carbons and hydrogens, and you should be able to see when you see these lines, even though there's no C, there's no H, you should be able to visualize them. There's lone pairs there, right? We don't see any lone pairs, but we know that they're there. This tells us a lot about the chemical bonding, which is something that's quite complex, but we should be able to elucidate a lot of it from the structure. There I'm talking about sigma and pi bonds, hybridization, slash molecular orbital theory, right? You should kind of have a picture of these bonds. What's a sigma bond? What's a pi bond? What's going on here? Resonance structures, that kind of thing. Partial positive and partial negative charges are going to be a big part of OChem, right? This molecule looks like it's overall neutral. However, there are charges there. And of course, there is much, much more.